Good evening, children. We will see today different topics. Sir, what are different topics? We are living in this world, we need some strategy. What strategy we want, sir? In the computer via, we will make anything, we will make maintain a database. That's why today I came to session database concepts. That about we will see clearly database concepts. Okay, this is chapter 11. Eight, 6, 2020. So, start before this session. What is database? What is the necessary? So, what it should represent? This about clearly we will see. So, first can I tell you what is database? Database is a what? Simply I will tell an example. As a class teacher, I am also one of the class teacher in IIT section. As a class teacher, maintaining as a register students what names alphabetically and then date of birth and initials. Can I make one data? So that's why a school a register database is maintained by as a class teacher. But here what is the database? Is a repository of collection of data. Database is a repository of collection of data. Okay. So, again I will tell you this is very important one. Database is a repository of collection of data. This is point number 1 or first star points. Can I say now the second star point? It can arranges them in a specific order. It can arranges them in a specific order or specific structure. Okay? Yes. Sir, example, sir. You say any one example, sir. Arranges in a specific structure. It can arranges them in a specific structure. Now, can I say about this structure? Example, student mark list database. Listen Sanjay, listen Anwar. Here example, student or children's mark list. Students mark list. Here student mark list database also is one of the database. So, this is very important one. Database is a repository of collection of data. It can arrange them in a specific structure or specific order. Example is students mark list. Okay. And then we will see about data. Sir, what is data, sir? Actually, data is not an English word. Data is a Greek word. Data is a Greek word. Okay. This word comes from datum. D-A-T-U-M. Okay. So, it represent what, sir? Data means singular, singular, but data is plural, plural. The word data is a plural. Sir, this is a difference. Data means fact about people, places and some entities. Can I say now example? So, data means fact about people, places and some entities. TIES. Okay. Sir, here what sir? The data means fact about people, places and some entities. So, these are collection simply we called data. Sir, you say different examples, sir. Simply can I say example Anwar. Anwar is 15 years old. He is studying 11th standard. He got 100% marks in mathematics. Can I say example? Anwar. What spelling Anwar? You say example. Come on. Let me start. What spelling? A-N-V-A-R. Anwar is, example I will tell you, 15 years old. You will think 15 years old. He got 100% marks in mathematics. Okay, this is one sentences. 100% subject is mathematics. Okay, but this is different sentences. This also different sentences. He is studying. He is what? Studying 11th standard. So, he is studying 11th standard. So, this is 3 examples. In these 3 example based, we will make it maintain entities. What are entities? It should be represent. Can I say now? It should be represented in an example. Can I tell about the conclusion? Here name and then age and then marks. Okay. So, finally subject and then standard. Which standard he is studying? Okay, one by one entering. What is name? Anwar. Age 15 years. And then marks 100% percentage. Subject. What subject? Mathematics. Okay. So, standard is 11th standard. So, these are called complete information. So, these are called entities. So, 2 questions will solve. One is a database with an example and then what is data and what are called entities we learned, but now I will come to what is information. That information about, can I say now that information? What is information, sir? This also important word and the database model can I say now. Okay? Yes. Now, can I say about information? Today in this society, communication or information is very, very important. Why? Because can I say one information, you understand clearly, you understand perfect, the same information you convey to others, you will reach the same information, means this is good things. But here can I say about information in this process? Sir, what is information, sir? Here information is a set of processed data. Information is a set of processed data. Information is a set of processed data that convey the information, that convey processed data that convey the information or convey the matter. So, information set of processed data that convey the information or data to be considered, that is called information. What information, sir? Chennai is 500 kilometers or 5000 kilometers away from Coimbatore. This is also one of the information. Example I will tell you. Chennai is 15,000 kilometers away from Coimbatore. This is also one of the information. So, in this information that convey the some meaning. Okay, in natural and English, that information in British English, sentences. Sir, what is sentences? Sentences is nothing but a group of words which makes the complete sentences. That is called what? Sentences. In the sentences, here in American English, we will say, or every time we will say information. That is why information is a set of processed data that convey the relationship between information or convey the relationship between data to be considered. Relationship between data to be considered. Here relationship is very, very important one. Okay? Yes. Now, in this information after, what will we see, sir? In this process, database types. Sir, what are the types of databases? Actually, in the college level, it is 10 more questions, and sometimes in a briefly you have to write 15 marks. But school level, in this database types, if you are asking only, maximum mark is 5 marks. Sir, what are called database types? So, types of database. Okay, in this types of database, we will see. Okay, yes, first one is what's a relational database or what relative for information. What's our same class but different roll number, different name, but in a same class. That time we are introducing what? A relational database. So, here in this database methods, we will think like this, kept in our mind. First one is flat file database. Here flat file database. Here R is a relational database. Okay, here third one is hierarchical database, and then N is network database, and then O for object oriented database. So there are 5 types of databases are there. One is flat file database, and then relational database. Third one is hierarchical database. The fourth one is network database. The fifth one is here object oriented database. Sir, children are kept in mind is, sir, this is not easy, sir, every types. Sir, in examination how in lifelong, how can we kept in mind easily? Can I give one shortcut? What's our shortcut? Kept in mind. My dear children, my dear students, if you don't across the road in a what? NH road, simply we call no NH road, don't go fast. In Tamil, NH road la fast odade. Here NH or fast odade. Kept in mind, how can we say here? N for network, and then H for hierarchical, R for relational, F for flat file, and then O for object oriented. I think so you kept in mind easily. Sandosh, clear Sandosh? You can understand clearly? Kept in mind easily. NH road, don't go fast. Simply in Tamil no, NH road la fast what are there is nothing but kept in mind easily for this type of database. So database types is a flat file database, relational, hierarchical, network, and then object oriented. One by one can I say now? Sanjay, listen. Here flat file database. Flat file database is nothing but particular. We will find out particular database. Suppose you are studying in our Sri Vidya Mandir school. Your parents came about performance of your mark list processing. So immediately Control F in Excel or any database. So suddenly typing your register number. So Sanjay will come. Sanjay, how much mark? So what is the performance? Everything will see. So flat file is a single, certain single or particularly will identify in an individual record. So this type of database is a flat file database. So understand, my dear children, as a parent visiting in our school, your performance only we will see. Control F will give. So your number or your name, have to type it, search it, your details mark will come. That is explained for flat file database. Okay, done. Now will we see relational database. Sir, what's a relational database? So I think you have wrote exams well in +2 children's, but after the result came after in a same class or different class in a mathematics subject, how many children are got centums or 190 and above, sorry 90 and above, 95 and above. So you see separate register number, separate name, but same class, but these criteria, these condition based, but relation is in a same class. That time we will find out the relational database method. Student mark list, those are 95 and above. Those are 95 and above in mathematics subject. This condition based, we will see in this type we are using relational database. Okay. So, a relational database is nothing but our query based, our condition based in a single classroom performance. As a class teacher, those are got top mark, those are got below mark, average mark, will find out. That case we are introducing relational database. Now, can I say about hierarchical database? Sir, in that case, what's our hierarchical database? The hierarchical database is a, simply we called it is a tree-like structure. Tree-like structure. Tree-like structure. In that case, tree-like structure. And this tree-like structure are also called as parent and then child relationship. Here simply we called parent-child relationship. So, tree-like structure, parent-child relationship is a hierarchical database. So, in this method, what? Suppose example I will tell you. Hierarchical means what? The Airtel, SIM card based, many types of databases are there, but network is same but different branches. Jio we are using, so recharges and everything. So, these are all we are introducing for hierarchical database. So, this is a tree-like structure, it's a parent-child relationship. Here we will introduce, we will based on what big business people we are using for this type of database is a hierarchical database. Again I will tell you, hierarchical database is a parent-child relationship, tree-like structure. So, big types of network or IBM and Ashok Leyland. So, maintain is IT department, we are using hierarchical database. So, and then can I say about network and object oriented. Okay. Now, can I say about hierarchical database, relational database, flat file database, you can understand clearly. Now, can I say about a network database? What sir? Here network database is nothing but network database. Network database also, simply first we think about the word is network. Network is nothing but two or more connecting in a what this computers means, this is a network. That network we should classify what LAN, MAN and WAN and internet. Internet is wireless. So, local area network, what metropolitan area network and what wireless network introducing international network, wide area network, etc. we learn. But here this is different. Network database is same as hierarchical database, but except that one record is related to another, that is called network database. So, network database is same as hierarchical database. But one record is related to other, except that one record is related to another. Again I will tell you, network database same as hierarchical database, except that one record one record is related to another. This type is a network database. Sir, where we were introducing this type of network, sir? Example, so big business people, Reliance company or Reliance network for Mukesh Ambani groups. They are using for the business people, we are introducing for this type of database. Network database same as hierarchical database. So, same as one record is related to another. Okay? Yes. For the employee salary details, but is working in a single company is a Reliance, but branches are many. That time is a one single person will see the details. So, we will see for an network database. So, and then object oriented database. What's our object oriented database? In this object oriented database is newer structure, object oriented database is a newer structure. Why, sir? In this database a newer structure? Because in these database types are combining together characteristics, attributes and procedures. Here characteristics, attributes and then procedures. These three things we are introducing, attributes and procedures. In this some procedures are there. You know about the attributes, what row wise and column wise. Here also what are the characteristics? This about will deal, this is called object oriented database. This also company, what motors, okay, car motors, okay, the are maintaining this object oriented database is a different attributes are introducing. This is called object oriented database. So, database types are classified in 5 types. Flat file is nothing but single entity or particularly will identify in a particular record, and then relational database is a relative, what in a classroom, many types of children are there, different name, different roll number, but subject is same. That time what are the needs that about we are using relational database. In this relational database I forgot one thing, that is called what? Key or primary key. Okay, primary key. Sir, what's our key or primary key? So, a group of field or fields, a group of field or fields, they are called keys. Okay. So, primary key, what's our primary key? So, primary key is a key, uniquely identify a particular record in a uniquely identify a particular record in a manner of processing. Sir, this is called primary key. Key is a group of field or fields are called keys. A particular record uniquely identify a particular record. Okay, in this method we are using primary key. Okay, yes. Now, can I say about DBMS? Sir, what's our DBMS? Every children said like this. DBMS. DBMS. This about we will see now clearly. What is stand for DBMS and what is the use that about can I say now? Okay, yes. Now, can I say about DBMS? Sir, what's our DBMS? Can I say now? DBMS is nothing but it is a one of the computer software. It is a one of the computer software in a database method. One of the computer software. Okay, yes. Sir, what is the expansion for this, sir? Can I say now database management system. Okay, again I will tell you DBMS means database management system. Sir, in this database management system is a computer based record keeping system. It is a what? DBMS is a computer based record keeping system. Okay, yes. In this record keeping system, we should maintain primary. Sir, what, sir? So, three purpose we are introducing in a DBMS. That's why primarily what concepts are should be represent. What? Primary goal of DBMS or important of DBMS. Primary goal of DBMS. Sir, what, sir? There are very important points. First one is, listen children carefully, then with. First one is entering the data in a database. Entering the data in a database. Point number 2, reordering the records. Reordering the records in a database. Entering the data in a database, reordering the records in a database. Third one is obtaining the subset of the data. So, this is a primary concepts of primary goal of the DBMS. What purpose? Entering the data in a database. Children's data, children's mark list, we should entering. This is the first primary goal. And then we should make reordering alphabetically or joining, date of joining, base will making employee details. And then what we want? Suppose this employee details we want, obtaining the subset of the data. So, this is 3 are very important. So, again I will tell you, DBMS is a database management system. This system is a computer based record keeping system. In this primary goal of DBMS, entering the data in a database, reordering the records in a database, obtaining this subset of the data. So, I think so you can understand clearly, my dear children. Now, can I say about data processing? What are the steps involved in this data processing? Can I one asking question from your side? What is data processing? Every children telling answer or every people telling answer is very easy. Why? Because question itself answers are ready. What, sir? What do you say, sir? What is data processing? Come on, Sanjay. Processing the data. It is called data processing. But how? That is called methods. Processing the data is a data processing. Sir, how, sir? It involves first, as a class teacher in this mark list processing, first what? Collection of data. Okay, that's why collection of data, arranging the data, collecting the data, and then what? Data collection, verification, validation, final report generation. So simply collecting our data means data collection. Okay. Point number 2, verification. Point number 3, validation. Point number 4, report generation. As a class teacher, we are doing this work. First one is mark list collection, and then entering the marks, and then verification. Those are passed, how much total marks, and then validation, checking it is correct or not. So that is called a validation. Finally, front of the principal, if you get a signature from the mark list processing. Clear? So simply I tell you example, student mark list, so processing, it is a suitable for what? Data processing. My dear children, today we learn many things that about quick review. I came now. First one is what is database, and their types we learned, and then what are the types, what are the uses, where we will use, we will see, and then what is DBMS and their primary goal of DBMS, that about we learn. Finally, what is data processing? The data processing is a processing the data, but it involves data collection, verification, validation, and report generation. The best example is student mark list processing. Okay, this is about again detailedly. We'll come to next class. We'll see or we learn many things. Thank you for today class cooperation. Thank you.